CEO of Data Dynamics. I'm here to talk to you today about the energy vertical and the transformation they are going through towards cleaner, greener energy sources and helping reduce the carbon footprint. As they look, an energy vertical and energy organizations look to address this transformation, one of the biggest challenges is to look at how do you address and leverage data that exists, that's collected over decades, that you can leverage to be far more informative, to be far more innovative, and to leverage the data in an effective manner that does three key things. Helps in accelerating the reduction of your carbon footprint. That entails data center consolidations. It entails the journey to the cloud. It entails reduction in the overall data footprint into far more energy efficient, as well as density enabled storage devices. It also includes the ability to get rid of data that may no longer be of use. So that's the first aspect. The second aspect is to make sure that the data that does exist gets utilized in a manner that you can extract value from. Data stored for the sake of being stored is absolutely nothing but a risk factor for exposure. By utilizing the data, can we come up with new innovations? Can the scientists and engineers come up with new ideas, new ways, faster time to market in addressing our climate challenges? And third, how do you drive business efficiency? How do you drive cost optimization? How do you ensure that as part of this journey, not only are you driving a value in terms of the social and environmental benefits of cleaner and greener energy, how do you ensure that you're making sure you're meeting the needs of your shareholders by delivering profitable results? And that involves infrastructure optimization, negating and getting rid of large capital expenditures, and optimizing your infrastructure, especially your digital footprint, to be able to be the right size for the right needs. When we look at this, most energy providers are truly committed to this change to a zero emission deliverable. And that really involves a digital transformation. That digital transformation journey includes the cloud. How do you get to the cloud? How do you get to the cloud faster, smarter, in a compliant manner? It becomes a challenge that every single entity is facing. We as Data Dynamics help you address that challenge with a single platform that holistically addresses your data management needs. Whether it be, hey, tell me who owns this data, tell me who's accessing this information, tell me how big it is, how old is it, when was it even last touched, to being able to classify data by adding intelligent tags so that you know the relevance of that data. Addressing data sprawl and driving consolidation so you have a lower footprint within your storage environment. Helping you address compliance challenges. You know what, do I have an IP address for my drill bits that's sitting in one of those files? Do I have a sales receipt that has a personal information or other information that may identify an individual or an entity that would cause exposure? If I do, how do I protect it? What can I do to do things like quarantining it? Do things like managing and having a log that's immutable of every time that's being touched? Do I have the ability to drive anonymization so that I can actually leverage the data? In most organizations, 70+% of the data is unused. What if you could take the power of one single platform and actually garner value from it? What does that do for you? While you're doing that, can I get same year ROI? Can I actually save money? And if you can do that, driving better utilization for your upstream processes, your downstream processes in your overall operations, while driving clean energy initiatives by allowing your engineers and your scientists access to valuable information when they need it, where they need it, in an effective manner, is exactly how you can accelerate that digital transformation. And we as Data Dynamics are proud to say We work with some of the largest energy companies in the world and have helped them accelerate their digital journey. And it's something we look forward to doing with organizations such as yourselves.